Fabuloso is a pleasantly scented multi-purpose household cleaner for non-porous surfaces. However, not all of its formations have disinfecting properties, such as regular Fabuloso. To that end, you may want to combine this versatile cleaner with a product that can add some disinfecting power. Vinegar has some disinfecting properties, but can you mix Fabuloso and vinegar safely? Yes, you can. However, you must keep a few things in mind before mixing and using the combination. Here's everything you need to know about mixing Fabuloso and vinegar for cleaning. Fabuloso and vinegar are each effective household cleaners and odor removers on their own. However, regular Fabuloso is not a disinfectant. Although vinegar is not officially considered a disinfectant by the United States Environmental Protection Agency because it does not kill 99.99% of germs, its acidic properties can kill some bacteria, viruses, and mold. Therefore, mixing Fabuloso and vinegar can yield a more effective cleaning product for a variety of surfaces, such as sinks, faucets, showers, bathtubs, and floors. Potential danger when mixing Fabuloso and vinegar. Although it is generally safe to mix Fabuloso and vinegar, it is important to read each Fabuloso product label before mixing with vinegar, as some formulations may contain ingredients that can have adverse reactions. For example, Fabuloso Complete All-Purpose Cleaner contains additional active ingredients for a more complete cleaning. One such ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, which helps the product with stain removal. When hydrogen peroxide is mixed with vinegar, it yields peracetic gas, which is corrosive, toxic, and harmful to the eyes, lungs, nose, throat, and skin. Even if the amount of hydrogen peroxide seems negligible, it is best to err on the side of caution when mixing the ingredients, especially if the individual doing the mixing has a pre-existing health condition. How to mix Fabuloso and vinegar. Because vinegar is acidic, a good rule of thumb is to add water to the mixture to help lower the acidity and reduce potential damage to materials and surfaces. Combine the ingredients as follows: 1 cup of ambient temperature water, 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, slightly less if using cleaning vinegar, a couple of tablespoons of Fabuloso. Add to a spray bottle and shake gently. For more hard-to-clean surfaces with high amounts of dirt and grime, such as floors, windowsills, and countertops, you can use a stronger combination without water at a 1:2 ratio. That is, blend 1 cup of vinegar with 2 cups of Fabuloso. Mix well and use a sponge or cloth to apply on the surface. Not all vinegar is created equal. There are numerous types of vinegar to choose from, but not all are meant for cleaning. Let's take a look at the 3 most common types of cleaning vinegar. Distilled white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar is the type you find in the food aisle. It is 95% water and 5% acetic acid. It can be used for food preparation and consumption as well as for cleaning. Cleaning vinegar. Cleaning vinegar is 94% water and 6% acetic acid. Although 1% more acetic acid does not sound like much, it makes it 20% more powerful than distilled white vinegar. Cleaning vinegar should never be consumed as it can cause physical harm. Industrial vinegar. Industrial vinegar is for outdoor use only and should never be used for indoor cleaning. Its acetic acid content can range from 20 to 75%. Therefore, its fumes can be harmful if inhaled. Skin contact can cause irritation, and it can damage surfaces. It is mostly used as a weed killer. Benefits of mixing Fabuloso and vinegar. Not all Fabuloso formulations are antibacterial. Therefore, the greatest benefit of mixing regular Fabuloso with vinegar is the potential for its disinfecting properties. Vinegar is a non-toxic, eco-friendly liquid that can eliminate some bacteria, viruses, and mold. As a result, combining the 2 solutions can help in the disinfection of some household surfaces. Cleaning with Fabuloso and vinegar mix. Due to Fabuloso's and Vinegar's individual properties, the mixture should only be used on non-porous surfaces. Testing the blended solution on a small area before treating can help you determine if it will be safe to use without causing potentially irreparable damage to the material. While adding water to the Vinegar Fabuloso blend does decrease the mixture's acidity, long-term, repeated use of the cleaning solution can sometimes do more harm than good on some surfaces. Do not use the Fabuloso vinegar blend on wood or stone surfaces, such as granite. The mixture can be used on sinks, faucets, showers, bathtubs, non-wood floors, windowsills, and non-stone countertops. There you have it! If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest cleaning, laundry, and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching!